Hello, beautiful souls. How you people are doing? I believe that you people are taking care of yourself and maintaining social distance. We are gonna tap into the reading of Pisceans and its energy checking for Pisceans mid-August. Sorry, friends. For that stammering tea. And I'm your astrologer, Reiki healer, tarot card reader, Sangeeta Kalita. Friends, do follow me in my Insta. I am giving a Reiki giveaway for 11 to 20 years people out there, and it's only till 15th of August. And after 15th of August, I will be closing this. Okay, and I also have one card pool for you people. You can even book me for your private readings. Okay, friends, my bookings are open. Till 15th of August, and after that I hope those who have got your private booking readings, so I hope you people enjoyed, and I will be uploading more private reading very soon. uh, Lots of stuff going on with me, friends. There are healings or stuff are going on with me, so do wait. Okay, do wait. I will be providing your readings very soon. So let's see what is the energy for my Pisceans. Okay. Hello, Pisceans. How you people are doing? Let's see. Okay, spirits, kindly guide me, universe. Spirits wanna tell you, Pisceans, that you can do this. Okay. I think you people are very much stressed and lots of things have been going on in your life. And in terms of love, I think in relationship, I think you people are those who are in a relationship. Everything, I feel it's very complicated, and you are literally not understanding that what is exactly going on and what you should do to make things right now. And that is the reason I think you people are extremely in tension. You people felt that you are left out in cold. Definitely for some of you it's like that your person left you. All of a sudden they didn't tell you anything and they left you. Okay, there is extreme depression and pain. Oh my god, Pisceans, what happened, sweethearts? Okay. But spirit's telling you that you can manifest this. You can manifest what my patients should know, universe. What my patients should know. Too many cards. What my patients should know, universe. Walk away, Pisceans. Walk away from this Five of Pentacle energy. Walk away from this pain, because this pain is no more serving you. The moment you walk away from the energy of, like, I know it's literally tough to do this, the moment you think, no, I'm gonna take a leap of faith for myself and I'm gonna make things right for myself, and Pisceans, you can manifest anything you want, because I know time has been very hard towards you and you are suffering a lot. But sweethearts, let me tell you, there is a very good beginning coming for you, because universe has planned something very good for you in your coming futures. Let this August month pass away, and everything is gonna be in your favor. Everything is gonna be in your favor, because this new beginning is coming. The moment you take a decision to move away from this pain, you will see all this brightness in your life. That's completely true, Pisceans. I know, I can literally feel the pain around you, you know. The your heart has been so much heavy and you have been waiting for justice. I can just hear my Pisceans are shouting, I need justice. Definitely justice will be done to you. Definitely. See, just concentrate in your energy. Collect your scattered piece, Pisceans. Collect your scattered piece and concentrate in your work. Take care of yourself. And definitely financially your finance is gonna be very good. Your career is gonna take a leap of faith. Definitely this circle is being completed. This is a circle of destiny and definitely you gonna take the victory over this circle. Definitely. Definitely. Because you know, see, divine is like, this is a lesson you have to go through. This is a lesson you have to go through because it's a divine plan, and definitely then you gonna get this. The moment you pull yourself from the person, if it's a love matter, let me tell you, the moment you gonna pull your energy from the person, and that is the point where they gonna realize. And to get this person you have to leave them. Just leave this person behind and walk away. Go and work for yourself. That is the key to achieve this relationship. That is the key. There is a marriage involved here. This person will come with the offer of marriage, definitely, but they will come when you don't even expect. Also this person, when they will see that you are just walking away, and this person is gonna come back. Let's see, universe, what my Pisceans need to know. See, you offered this love, but this person is not yet realizing this. To make them realize, you need to leave them. You need to drop down all your burdens, and you need to be this Queen of Pentacles. You know, this queen is very, like, she is very abundant. She knows what is good for her. You know, she has that self-respect. You know, sometimes it is more important to value yourself than the person you have in your life. It is necessary to keep healthy boundaries, and this queen, she maintains healthy boundaries. If you are a male watching this video, the same applies for you, even Piscean. Maintain a healthy boundary and realize that you are not somebody to be taken for granted, because people in your life took you for granted and you are not that. So here you need to walk away from all those vampires, because people have been sucking your energy here, and you need to walk away from this pain. And the moment you will start walking away, and I see the bright sunlight falling in you, I can just feel my Piscean circle. You know, when you burn yourself and you move away, that is the time you come to know that what you have achieved. And this is the lesson is going on here, and you have to move away from. You just have to learn this and you have to move away. Because you are in this energy. You are very reckless. You are self-sabotaging yourself. You are not sleeping. You know. perhaps most of you are suffering from headache, fever, cough and cold. This is not serving you, Pisces. This is not serving you. You need to walk away from this energy. This energy is not serving you. Be this empress. Be this winner. Because you are this. Let's see what this Moonology card gonna say. Okay. Pisceans, you need to walk away. You need to walk away. This person will not understand that. I'm not gonna take them there too many. This person will not understand the moment you pull your energy back. What I told you, prosperity lies ahead. Please walk away from this energy and you will see a prosperous future for you. A new starting is coming. Definitely, if we have an Ace of Pentacles here, a new starting is coming. The pattern of relationship you have been doing, Pisces, you need to, because there is wheel of fortune, you need to close this cycle. Don't let your past, oh my God, don't let your past hold you back. See, don't let this past experience to be painful experience and hold you back. One more advice for Pisceans. Spirit, one more advice. I love this Moonology deck. It is literally so good for me. I love the energy. I love it. Communication is the key. You need to speak up, Pisces. New moon in Gemini. New moon in Taurus. South Node. You need to speak up, Pisces. You need to activate your throat chakra, because you are not telling people what you are suffering, and that is the main problem where people are taking you for, people think that my Pisceans are, just so okay, but they are not okay. And when you are not okay, you need to speak up. Yes, you need to speak up. Let's see some more messages universe have for you. But Pisces, let me tell you, I see a abundance, abundance in financial situation. I literally see. It's time to run. Actually, this message is for them. Like, it's time to wear your shoes and get ready and run for the future. Okay, get this energy, Pisces. It's time to run. Divine is planning for you. Please surrender, Pisces. Don't emphasize in a particular outcome, because of course things will happen according to you, but there is I literally feel that divine is planning something very unique for you, Pisces. Please go with the flow. Divine is planning. Divine is planning for you. Call me, ancestor, and someone recent passed away. Some of your ancestors or somebody recent passed away in your family wanna connect you, Pisces. Your ancestor, your guidance, your guidelines wanna connect you. Call them, talk to them. Don't be fearful. Just jump. You need to jump in the unknown. Just walk. Water, oh my God, water is exactly your sign. You are water element, and we have here water. That means you need to purify your thoughts. You need to drink lot of water. Spend some time near the water bodies if you have, okay, near your locality. Win. Definitely, Pisces, you're gonna win, sweethearts. Let go. Please move away. Flow. Go with the flow. Trust the universe. it's coming for you. Let go the past and the negative. Oh my god, let go the past and negative. You just see the situation in a more beautiful and authentic way, you know. Just see that if you don't came across these people, if you never come across this experience, you couldn't be this beautifully, you know, learned person. You know so much now about the life and how things literally work in people's life. So take these experiences, learn them, and move ahead in the future. So best of luck. Stay tuned for your next reading. Take care, Pisceans, and love you all. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Let me grow, friends. Let us grow together. Okay, bye bye.